Alright, we're en route to a lockout call. It's going to be a 2017 Dodge Journey. And it looks like they're going to be at the 5 Below. At least I'm getting to know kind of the different areas of town and how long it's going to take me to get to a certain location. Not this one. Should be the Walmart light, actually. Alright, now we gotta look for the 5 Below. Dodge Journey. Guessing that is it over there? Maybe? Hey, you guys my walkout call? Okay. I don't know if they just started calling everybody or what happened. We had animal control there because there was a dog inside when I got on scene. The tow truck arrived. He's like, hey, screw it. I'll try the passenger side. Let's go. Rubber was coming undone. It wasn't glued properly, so it fell down when we were opening it up, and it was stopping my tool from getting in, so I had to maneuver it. You know, just try to get to this dog, right? Make sure the dog's not overheating. But right as I was getting my tool inside, tow truck driver was able to slip his down just ahead of mine and hit the button before I could hit the button. But hey, you know what? I don't really care who gets paid for that. I mean, there's a dog involved. That's a life to me. I care about animals, so I am just happy to be here and happy we could help.